D. Krause here, and the book today is Quantum Space by Douglas Phillips. It is the first book of a series that I will no longer read. Not that I didn't like the book, I did, in the same way that I liked Govert Schilling's Ripples in Space-Time as a science fact book. But as a science fiction novel, nah. One of the most annoying things about uber smart scientists writing science fiction is they are in love with the science, not the fiction. So the whole thing is written with a condescending, bare toleration of all of you great unwashed who do not grasp the particular science as well as they do. Throughout the book, I had a sense of Phillips patting Lisa Simpson's head and saying, "I have a ball. Perhaps you'd like to bounce it." It reminds one of the Asimov and Clarke days when uber smart scientists first began writing science fiction for the peasants. Bit condescending back then too, but that was okay. This was newfangled stuff, and we goobers had no idea about their artificial intelligence and rocket dynamics and far-flung space foundations. But we do now. The pointy-headed kids of the space race are now the gray-headed old farts, and we get it. We do. So simply write a story. We'll catch up. But I guess it has always been difficult for uber-smart scientists to write a compelling story that was not 87% based on math. After all, you write what you know, and Phillips knows his quantum physics, as does his two main characters, Daniel Rice and Marie Kendrick, who toss off fourth-dimensional physics terms the way most people exchange recipes. Daniel is a scientific jack of all trades with PhD understanding of just about everything, while poor little Marie only grasps thermodynamics and her orbital sciences. They both get a primer in particle physics at Fermilab, gaining the equivalent of a post-PhD in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. Where would we be without these people? Still digging grubs out of termite hills with sticks, I guess. By the way, the acknowledgments section admits there's quite a blurring of theory and reality throughout the book. But just you never mind. We scientists believe these theories are real and nothing will change our minds. Except maybe a better theory, which there isn't any. It's all written in stone, Galileo. The novel concerns the disappearance of a Soyuz capsule carrying an American and two Russians on re-entry from the ISS. It's just gone. Didn't blow up, didn't land, and what's weird, the astronauts are still broadcasting. Oh yes, of course, obviously, it must be due to some little aberration in our super-duper top-secret fourth-dimensional mad scientist program we've been screwing around with. You know, the one that can bring a black hole onto your front porch? Obviously. I mean, that's the first thing that would occur to me, not evil corporations or aliens. Oh, wait. There they are. That's about all I'm going to say. Just brace yourself for a kitchen sink thrown in your direction, which is why this is a series. No one book can contain all of this. Fortunately, all I needed was one book to grow tired of it. D. Krause here. See you later.